Hello, and welcome back to another tutorial for EcoCAR, how to use RTMaps. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a project that you can do using a library called OpenCV. So, we're back in the RTMaps window. At the bottom left, we have the Explorer, and let's drag in that library. It's called Image Processing OpenCV. There we go. And it's back in our registered components. We can now use these blocks. I need something else though, which is a video input. And for that, I added video for Linux. And if you're on Windows, an equivalent package is called RTMaps webcam. To use the video for Linux block, like last time, we have to configure devices. So let's select my webcam and select an output format. And if we just want to view the output of the webcam straight away, we can add an image viewer. So connect the image viewer input to the output of the video for Linux, and there you go. You see me on a different webcam. Let's do something different this time. And we want to use a block called pattern recognition. What pattern recognition does is you use some pre-trained files that are designed to recognize certain objects. In this case, I'm going to attach one that's meant to detect faces. And one thing you might remember from last time is that for a lot of the image processing blocks, we need uncompressed images. So let's decompress the images from the webcam. All right, we can put that into the pattern recognition block. It'll take each image from the stream and look for faces. And its outputs are one of them is called bounding boxes. So to overlay the bounding box onto the video, we need one more block, overlay drawing. So we'll add the video as one input, bounding boxes as the second, and hook it up to our image viewer. Hopefully this works. All right, you see it's recognizing my face, or at least it was trying to. We can also fool it with a drawing, a very creepy drawing, and it'll track the face. Let's make this more interesting. Let's have it recognize two types of objects. So one thing we can do is copy these blocks. Let's copy a pattern recognition block and attach an XML file trained on cars. We'll hook up the video input, and we need another thing to overlay the bounding box on. So let's hook that up to the output of the first. And we'll attach the bounding boxes from the pattern recognition for the car into the second overlay. And finally attach it to an image viewer. All right, one last thing that I want to do to make the bounding boxes distinct, let's change the color. We'll make it, let's say, green. And we can also change the width, make the lines a bit thicker. Let's do that for both. All right, now hopefully we get something that can recognize faces and cars. There we go. In red, it's seeing my face. Let's see what happens when I show it a toy car. Ooh, green. There we go. That's pretty cool. I'll go out of the frame and it still sees it. Sometimes it loses track of it. but we can have it recognize two images at once. Oops. There's the car, there's the face. It kind of works. But there you have it, pattern recognition or object recognition. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have fun with RTMaps.